Hi, I'm Amanda, and today we're going to go over how to classify triangles. So there are three different types of triangles, and they're all given special names depending on how many sides or angles are equal to each other. So we have equilateral, isosceles, and scalene. So we can either have all three sides be equal to each other, or angles, two of the angles or sides be equal, or nothing be equal to each other. So if you can see in the first one, we have an equilateral triangle where all three sides are the same exact length and all three of the angles are the same. And in this case, they're always 60 degrees. We also have an isosceles triangle where two sides are equal and two angles are equal. And then lastly, the third type of triangle is a scalene triangle where we have no equal sides and no equal angles. So how to remember equilateral? You hear the word equal in it, so everything is equal. Isosceles means equal legs, and we have two legs, so two sides are equal. Also, isosceles has two equal sides joined by an odd side, if that is an easier way to remember it. And scalene means uneven or odd, so it has no equal sides. We also can classify triangles based off what the angles are. An acute angle is anything less than 90. And if you make like an L with your hand, you have a 90-degree angle here. So anything smaller is acute, and anything like larger is an obtuse angle. And then if it's exactly 90 degrees, that is considered a right angle. So we'll do some practice problems. So a triangle has a measurement of 164 degrees, 9 degrees, and 7. What kind is it? Well, if you remember, anything greater than 90 is obtuse. So this will be an obtuse triangle. What kind of triangle is this? We have 64, 84, and 32. So there's no right angles because that's 90 degrees, and we have nothing greater than 90. So it's an acute triangle. And here we have based off sides. So we have two sides that are 18 and one that's 13. Since we have two equal sides and one that's not equal, it is an isosceles triangle. And here we have all of the angles are 60 degrees. And if you remember from the beginning, if they're all equal, that is an equilateral triangle. And last one, what kind of triangle is this? We have one that's 16, one 15, and one 12. So none of them are equal. So that would be considered a scalene triangle. So yeah, that's how you classify triangles. You can do acute, right, or obtuse based on the angle size, and also equilateral, isosceles, and scalene depending on how equal the sides are.